Got some new blue roots. Yes, girl. Yes. Hey guys, welcome to Qweensbeauty. So today I am doing my 5-minute everyday makeup tutorial, and this is the makeup that I will do when I am running late because I woke up late or something like that, if I just don't have a lot of time to get ready, or if I don't really feel like doing like my eyeliner and my contour and all that good stuff, but I still want to look like a human and not a land creature. This is part 1 to a part 2 series of my everyday makeup. So this is the 5-minute version, so it's really quick. If you don't have a lot of time to get ready, this will be great for you. If you do have more time, I'm gonna do my eyeliner and the contour glammed version of my everyday makeup in the next video. I hope you guys like this look. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment below. Let me know what you think. Give me suggestions on any future looks you'd like to see on my channel. Follow me on Instagram at Qweensbeauty and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye! I don't know why I said bye. Like, I'm actually going somewhere because I'm just gonna do this timed. I already moisturized my skin with my Nivea Creme lotion, and it's just a thick lotion, so you can see there's some red spots from where I had to apply it. But 5 minutes are on the clock, and let's go. So first I'm gonna use my Makeup Forever HD foundation in Y415 and put this all over the place. Ignore my skin, it's breaking out, of course, because my birthday is in a few days, so it's like, oh, you want to look cute? JK. And then just spread this out with a foundation brush all over your face. My scalp is blue because I just re-dyed my hair yesterday, so that's okay. I look a little bit like an alien, but it's fine. It washes off eventually. I think I'm gonna straighten it tomorrow, so that'll take me, you know, I'll take some of the blue off. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so foundation is done, and now I like to do something called like spot checking with my concealer. And this is Ultra HD concealer from Makeup Forever in Y33. And I'm just covering those blemishes up a little bit so that they're not so dark. I suffer from hyperpigmentation when I break out. So I try not to pick at my skin, but I have been because it's been so bad. But you know, that happens whether I break out or not. So next I'm using my e.l.f. dark blush palette. I broke it, but that's okay because the one that I want to use is still there, right here. Just do a little bit of blush to add some color to my skin. And this just makes me look a bit more alive. For my brows, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, and that's just to set them because I do have some wild brow hairs. And I don't want them all over the place, but I don't have time to fill them in and make them all Instagram perfect or something like that. So it's okay. If they're natural, I just make sure that they're kind of done so that they look kind of good. You know, blend this brush out a little bit more. I can't tell if this is just like red marks or it's actual blush there. Anyways, next is highlight. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow in Perla, and that I am just putting at the high points of my cheekbones. Blend that out with a tapered highlight brush. You gotta do that pretty quickly because it does set very fast, and it is kind of a thicker consistency, so you wanna just get that blended out. And I use highlight too, just to give myself a little bit of like a natural glow. Natural, real natural with makeup, but it's fine. So I'm just doing that over here, high points of my cheekbones, and I will do it at the end of my nose. And on my Cupid's bow a little bit, just to give me a little bit of glow there. So next, what I'm gonna do is get some mascara in, and this one is called Gifted. It's from Tarte Cosmetics. It's a sample that I got from Sephora. I focus on my outer lashes, so getting those with a lot of product on them, just so that it kind of like pulls out my eyes. Whenever I'm doing really quick makeup, I like to focus on making my skin kind of look fresh and glowy and getting my eyes really open and awake looking. Because usually when I'm doing 5-minute makeup, it's because I'm running late from waking up late, so I don't want to look tired. Oh, a minute and a half left. All right. Awesome. So now I'm gonna do some inner corner highlight and some brow bone highlight. And I do this really quick with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I use the color Beam, which is this guy here, the second one. And I put that on like the flatter end of like an Anastasia brush that comes with the palette. And just get that into my inner corner. Blend it out a little bit. And that really does open up your eyes and give you more of an awake appearance. And then just under my brow bones, give your brows a lifted appearance. Does help them out a little bit. Now for my lips, I'll put some chapstick on because my lips are dry because it's winter. So that going. And then I just use my Sephora Ingenius lipstick. And that's just to give my lips kind of like a little bit better than natural color. Sometimes I'll just do a clear gloss. It really depends on how I'm feeling that day. I'm real pink in this area. That's okay, I did a little bit too blush. A little bit too much. Oh well. Spread this out. And oh my god. I made it. I didn't think I was gonna do it. Anyways, this is my 5-minute makeup look, and this I will do, as I said before in the beginning of the video, when I don't have a lot of time to get ready or I don't really feel like putting too much makeup on but want to still look like a human. My skin is still very pink for me putting on the blush. That's okay, I did a little bit too much. It's fine. I hope you guys do like this look. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment below. Let me know what you think. Give me suggestions for any future looks you would like to see on this channel. Follow me on Instagram at Qweensbeauty and subscribe to my channel. All that stuff again. I hope that this was really helpful for you guys, and that if you are rushing to get your makeup done or you usually don't have a lot of time to get ready in the mornings, that this is definitely for you. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.